Assalamualaikum to everyone who is watching this video lecture. This is Vakar from Camera International Science College at Telangana. Welcome to all the students in classroom training video lecture. I hope you would be fine and you would have prepared all the lecture whether they were delivered by me, Sir, or Sir Mumtaz. Dear student, as you know very well that in previous lecture I was talking about the parts of speech. How many parts of speech are there in English language? So I have already covered about them. There are only 8 parts of speech in English language in traditional English, and in modern English there are 12 parts of speech. So dear student, in previous lecture I was talking about the word, sentence and parts of speech. So right now in this lecture you are going to learn about the types, the parts, the words which are known as the name of part of speech. So first word or first part of speech is noun. What is noun? There are 3 things which are included in this category. Number 1, person. The name of a person. What it means? The name of you, yourself, the name of myself. My name is Vakar. Vakar is noun. Your name is, if your name is Salim, so Salim is person. So here in this category we describe the names of person. हम लोगों के नामों के ऊपर क्या करते हैं, बात करते हैं. जैसे असलम, अकरम, नाजिया, शाजिया, all these names are included in noun. ये सारे नाम में शामिल होते हैं. The second one is related to place. What it means when we talk about place? Means like Pakistan, like park, like college, like school. All these categories are included in the list of place. And when we are talking about persons or places, it means we are talking about noun. Here we are going to discuss the name of person and the names of place. जगहों के नाम और लोगों के नाम, these 2 categories are included in the list of noun. And the third one is, it is an interesting category. It is known as the name of, or in the form of term is think. What is think? Think. There are 5 senses. जो चीज़ें सेंसेस के अंदर आती हैं, मिसाल के तौर पर स्मेल, लिसन, टेस्ट, टच, all etc. All these are included in senses. There are 5 senses. All the things which are related to 5 senses included in thing. हर वो चीज़ जो कि 5 आपके जो senses हैं उससे अटैच है, associate है, it is included in the list of things. So here I am going to write the definition, and it is very simple definition. A word which describes the name of person, a place or a thing is called noun. This is the simplest definition of noun. A word which describes. In here we are dealing with words. All these part of speech are words, and in part of speech when we try to write the definition we must start with the word. A word, because I have already told you in my previous lecture that when the words are divided into different classes or categories, those words are called the words that are parts of speech. A word which describe, meaning the word which is telling the name of a person, a place or thing is included in the list of noun. वो क्या कहलाता है? वो noun कहलाता है. So right now you can take a screenshot of it, and after that I am going to tell about more about this topic with the help of examples. I hope you would have taken a screenshot of it. So I am going to erase it, and after that I am going to talk further about this topic with the help of some examples. Let's see. Number 1. Aslam is a brave boy. Aslam is a brave boy. There are two names which are used in this sentence. Number 1, Aslam, and number 2, noun. These two names are included in noun. Aslam and boy. In this sentence, you can indicate that there are only two nouns in this sentence. Let's take another example. Is going to join Pak Army. This is the name. Pak Army. When you will try to read or study the kinds of noun, you would be able to define that what type of noun is it or this it. इनमें से कौन सी किस्म का ये क्या है noun. But right now in this lecture, which is related to introduction of noun, I am just going to indicate the noun, not its with its types. There is only one student. One and student. These are the noun. One student will be taken as noun. So in these three examples, you have understood that what is the method to indicate the noun. In these three sentences, Aslam is taken as noun. Aslam, and after that boy, and after that Pak Army, and after that one student. So all these words are taken as noun in these three sentences. So dear student, in the intro of the noun, you have learnt about that what is noun and how can you indicate the noun in a sentence. And it will be a better practice. You should take a paragraph on front of you and you must indicate that where is noun present. It will be an effective activity for you, and I hope you must be practicing. Must be practicing, and it will be very beneficial for you. So dear student, right now with the help of these three examples, you have been taught about the nouns. So dear student, in this lecture we have covered the introduction or the definition of the noun. What was the definition of noun? The definition of noun is that a word which is used, a word which describe, a word which represents. You can use any type of definition. It's up to you. Don't become a bookworm. You can make your own definition in your own words. So a word which describes or represents the name of a place, person or a thing is included in the list of noun. उसको हम किस में शामिल करते हैं? नाउन की लिस्ट में. इसका एक स्क्रीनशॉट ले लो. I hope you would have taken a screenshot. So dear student, in upcoming lectures, you are going to study about the types or the kinds of the categories or the classes of a noun. एक noun की कितनी types होती हैं, classes कितनी होती हैं. You are going to study about collective noun, material noun, abstract noun, common noun, proper noun. All these nouns will be studied in upcoming lecture, and I hope you will be able to understand the whole of the idea which is related to the noun. Noun is an important topic regarding part of speech, so you should be careful regarding this lecture. Stay with me in upcoming lecture. See you next time. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Bye.